Hi, my name is Neeraj and I am going to read a new story for you. This story is taken from lesson 6 of class 8 English textbook. So let's start the story. So the name of the story is A New Day, A New Way. So before we begin the story, there is something written above the story. So it says, let me read it for you. It says, each one of us is born with some natural talent. Some can sing, some can dance or paint, and others like to do social work. To understand this, let's look at some pictures. Now, who is she? What is she playing? लगता है ये बैडमिंटन खेल रही है, पर ये कौन है? Can you recognize her? She is Olympic silver medal winner and the badminton world champion PV Sindhu. Now let's look at another personality. Now you must be knowing her. She is from Assam and her name is Hima Das. Hima Das is a world-renowned athlete. She runs 400 meters and has won many gold medals. Now who is this guy? ये तो आप लोगों को शायद पता ही होगा. ये है भारत रत्न श्री भूपेन हजारिका. और ये कौन है? Who is he? He is Papan. और ये भी सिंगर है. And let's look at just one more picture. Who is my favorite dancer? And he is Michael Jackson. तो इन सभी लोगों में क्या कॉमन है? So one thing that is common in all these people is that they have some sort of special talent. Let's start the story now. So this name of the story is A New Day, A New Way. So here it says, here is a story of Seema Deka and her daughter Swati. तो ये दो लोगों के बारे में कहानी है, सीमा और उसकी बेटी स्वाति. It was early evening. Seema Deka drew the window curtains of her living room. She felt very tired. Without switching on the light, she sat on the edge of her bed, lost in thought. She recalled what Kalpana ma'am, the manager of her office, had told her before closing time. Look, Seema, it will take a few days to pay the staff their salary this month. Please tell the others too. Seema was quite upset by the information, although her mood didn't show on her face. She needed 12,000 rupees to pay Swati's school fees, and she was depending on her salary to make the payment. Ma, what are you doing sitting in this dark room? Swati flung the door open and switched on the light. You look worried, Ma. What's the matter? So Seema says, the salary for this month will be late. I'm wondering about the fees. Don't worry, Ma, we will figure out something. Seema looked at Swati's calm and resolute face. She looked so mature, Seema thought. And yet, she was only in class 10th. The face of her late husband came to her mind. He had passed away nearly 5 years ago. She imagined how proud Swati's father would have been of her. He would have been even more proud to know that his dear little Swati was adored by her teachers and her classmates at school. You know, Ma, Swati started. Swati ne kaha. She began to tell her mother about a lady from an NGO who had visited their school to create awareness on entrepreneurship development and self-reliance. Swati suggested to her mother that they could try the NGO for some help. She looked at her diary where she had jotted down the number of the lady's mobile phone and rang her up. She introduced herself, reminding her of her visit to their school. She also told the lady about her mother and sought her guidance to start a small business. The lady sounded very warm and helpful and told Swati to send her mother to her office, Brave Mothers, the next day at 10 o'clock in the morning. Swati was overjoyed at the lady's response. She hugged her mother tightly and told her everything would be alright. Seema could not hide her tears. How quickly her little girl had grown up. The following morning, Seema met the lady and talked to her about her hopes of setting a small business. The lady took her to a large room where a group of women were stitching soft dolls. The women wore blue saris and aprons and had Brave Mothers embossed on their dress. The lady explained to Seema that their NGO was a self-help group. We offered vocational training in a variety of fields like toy making, embroidery, tailoring, culinary arts, mobile phone repairing, and so on. So this NGO lady speaks to Seema. She says, Seema, tell me, what are you good at? We will give you training in that area. Once you finish your training, you will be offered a small loan to start a business. Besides, you will be mentored at every stage by our team, said the lady warmly. So Seema says, I would like to choose culinary training as a vocation since I love cooking, said Seema. This is what Seema says. The lady appreciated Seema's confidence and gave her an idea of business potential in the area. She said, Seema, look, we offer catering services such as tiffin services to office goers and working women staying in paying guest accommodation. You will be trained to cook the different recipes that we serve for lunch and dinner. You will also learn about packing and handling. You will have to assure your customers of good quality food and hygiene standards. Now, it is written that Seema looked a bit confused, although she listened attentively. Sensing her confusion, the lady clarified that she need not worry. She said there is no need to worry, Seema. Seema would operate on her own, and to start with, the NGO would assign 30 of their valued customers to her. She would be given a loan amount to set up her own kitchen at home. Based on Seema's performance, she would be assigned more customers. Since Seema needed money immediately, the lady also assured that her loan would be sanctioned even before her training. A savings account would be opened in a bank in her name, where she would be able to deposit her savings. The lady added, all the members contribute money to a common pool so that it can help another woman like you. So Seema, are you ready? She asked Seema, are you ready? Seema could not hide her excitement. She's excited. A new opportunity, a new work is coming into her life where she is able to do something and earn more money. She says, yes, madam, she responded enthusiastically. It was going to be all right, though Seema, as she headed back home. It was a bright sunny day, and Seema thought the sun was shining more brightly on her today. Her heart brimmed with new dreams, and the smile around the corner of her lips, this is the corner, of our lips, and the smile around the corner of her lips broadened like a flower in a bloom. She couldn't wait to get home and tell Swati the good news. Together, they would build a new future.